Hi guys, saradhooma here, and today you're going to learn what goes into the ultimate ultralight med kit. I see a lot of people with really big med kits that are just plain unnecessary when you only want the absolute essentials to be light in your pack on your back. I love making a mess. Let's get started. These are Westcott titanium scissors. I don't actually carry a knife with me. I find that scissors are more versatile. I use this from opening food packages to cutting up pieces of dressing. This is HYPAFIX dressing. It's water resistant and the adhesive is really comfortable on the skin. I use this for if I have some hot spots or any part of my body that might be rubbing like part of my pack. Okay. Sewing kit, part of first aid because you might need to close a wound. I have one pad and one tampon here, multi-purpose, not just for menstruation, but to stop bleeding. Like, these are great if you have a nosebleed. You could. I can't believe I did that. Okay. I have a very small body glide here. If you're more prone to chafing, you might want to take a bigger container, but I've been wearing the same pants and clothes for a while and they fit me well, so I'm okay. This is a little package of antifungal cream. You might get some athlete's foot from albergue or hostel floors, so handy to have, or for ladies, you might get a rash under your boobs. So I have one like super emergency blister pad here. I haven't used it in years, but I carry it with me just in case. 2 polysporins, keeping cuts clean. I have a couple PEPTO-BISMOLs, nausea, heartburn, diarrhea. You remember that song? Okay, so this is electrolyte tabs. I'm usually carrying a lot more electrolytes than this with the noon tablets or the Mayo drink stuff, but I like to keep some tabs in my med kit just in case. And these are water purification tablets. Each tablet does 1 liter. So in case my filter falls, I have something. A couple safety pins. Oh, sorry, Nomi, almost got you there. Got some junk there. I have a couple allergy pills. I do sometimes suffer from hay fever, but this is great to have in case you have a rash or you get stung by a wasp, like I did on PCT at least 2 times. This is GRAVOL. It is anti-nausea medication. So if you're hitching from a road and there's a lot of windy stuff, you might get car sick. So I take usually a couple of these with me. TWEEZERS, this is from Swiss Army Knife. You can order them separately from outdoor stores and they're really cheap and super small and light. Hydrocortisone cream, you get the rash. I have 1 diarrhea tablet in here, that's for extreme emergency. I have an assortment of ibuprofen, vitamin I, and some TYLENOL for pain relief. And then I have some Band-Aids. I drew some animals on them just because it made it more fun. Let's see how much this weighs, my friends. Plop it on, 1.7 ounces. And what's that in grams? That is 48 grams. So the reason why you only need to take the essentials is because you're going to be hitting civilization on a regular basis. So if you start to use some of the things in your kit, like say you use the antifungal cream and you still have athlete's foot, don't worry, because when you're in town, you can go to the pharmacy and buy a big tube. This is just essential stuff to get you through whatever section you're doing. And same thing on the Camino de Santiago. There's plenty of pharmacies along the way. You don't need to bring your entire medicine cabinet. This session with me, please subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and check out my Patreon page if you'd like to support this channel. Cheers, everyone.